Hello, welcome to Kids Draw Gallery. Today we are going to draw A for apple. This is uppercase A and this is lowercase a. A is for apple. Now let's draw A for apple. First, we will draw its stem. Yes, very good. And now we will start drawing its body. First on the left side of the stem. Very good. Apple has slight dip. It's on its bottom. Very good. Now draw its body from the right side of the stem. Draw slowly and make perfect curved line. Very good. Now let's draw its leaves. We will draw two ovals for leaves and both ovals will be pointed. Very good. Now let's draw two eyes to make this apple cute. We will draw two circles for eyes and color it black, leaving white dots in the eyes to make it sparkle. Now let's draw its mouth. Very good. Apple is ready. It's time to color it. Let's get started. Color green the stem and leaves and apple with red color. There are green apples also, so if you want you can color the apple with green color. Very good. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed drawing with us today. If you had fun, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy drawing tutorials. Let us know in the comments what drawings you would like to see next. And don't forget to share your artwork or tag us on social media. Keep practicing and we'll see you in the next video. Happy drawing!